So what money cannot buy, man? Money buy everything. What he's saying?
I have one. I have one point.
Yeah, please.
So
Uh,
if you told us, you have given us the example of football, right? So if you are having money, lots of money, lot of money, okay,
uh,
so you can hire Cristiano Ronaldo as well for the training. He
yes,
can
you're right.
he can uh, he can
He
learn.
can train
He
you,
can train you in any way.
right?
He can teach you how to dribble,
He
how
can make
to
you
tackle,
practice.
how to do everything. But if you are not self motivated, if you are in the dream that I have money, I have hired Cristiano Ronaldo, and you are not learning and you are not giving attention to your skills, how to learn it, how to grab the ball, so how you will be learning that kind of skill, right? money can buy Money can buy Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi as well, both at a time. But
Yes,
how will you upgrade your skill? How you will learn football? How you will be learning any other game or any other skill? In point of view, like if you are hiring any
I think I should.
teacher for English, if you are hiring any English trainer and you want to learn English, right? You want to learn how to speak fluently. So how you will be speaking? You will be speaking by practicing on yourself, practicing day by day.
Yes,
So you have to practice on that, and you have to be dedicated on your.
right. I think I agree. We agree with the points. What you mentioned that hiring Ronaldo or Messi, we don't become them, right? There is a very less chance, but there is a possibility. For example, if somebody comes in the class, an English class, and they want to speak English, right? So there is a very less possibility they speak like me, but it is possible if they practice, if they dedicate their life and time, and every day they practice, maybe within a year or a month they might learn like me. It is possible, but this is less likely.
There is probability.
Probabilities are there, right? Probability, right? So what he's saying that money can buy, it is not like guaranteed, but money can, I think so. That's a good point. Any other thing money cannot buy, man? Any one point also you don't have?
Yeah, I have many
Please, one
points.
point, right? You haven't covered so far.
Money cannot buy success.
Money cannot buy success.
Yes,
Okay, yeah, good.
Um, Sir, there are so many successful person who have money.
Right.
but
We have likes of whom? Mark Zuckerberg,
Yes, Mark
Elon
and
Musk,
Bill Gates, Mr.
Bill
Bill
Gates,
Gates, and
uh-huh.
Ambani, Tata,
Ambani, Tata,
and
SRK.
yes,
I have one point. The persons which you have told us, they are billionaires, right?
Right.
You told about Bill Gates. Bill Gates' father was a woodcutter.
Okay,
You
okay.
told about SRK. SRK father was nothing, and you told about Ambani. Ambani came to Mumbai of by one cup or
Acha, Ambani's father.
Ambani's
Ambani's
father, sorry,
father.
Dhirubhai
Right.
Ambani.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
He
Dhirubhai
came,
Ambani,
yeah,
yeah.
he came to Mumbai by having one lota in his hand.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right.
So
He
yeah,
had
so
nothing, you can say.
the persons which you have which you told us that they are very successful right now and they have lots of money.
Mm-hmm.
So they were nothing in their past.
Right.
They worked hard in their life. They dedicated themselves.
Oh.
And Shah Rukh Khan was a person who was standing in front of Juhu Beach, and he was telling to his friend that one day I'm gonna rule this city. So he was self motivated and he was having something in his heart. And today he is ruling all over India. He was telling that day that I am gonna rule this city.
Right,
This
right,
city
right.
means Mumbai, but
Wow,
now he is ruling the whole world.